Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the place where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two popular drones, the SYMA Drone and the ATTOP Drone. Which one will soar to the top? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. The SYMA Drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. That means clearer, stable views for all your aerial selfies. Reviewers have praised its high-quality camera capabilities and ease of use, making it a good choice for both beginners and advanced users. Meanwhile, the ATTOP Drone also rocks a 1080p camera, but with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. This wider field of view lets you capture more in a single frame. However, some reviewers have had issues with the drone malfunctioning, which could affect the camera's performance. Next, let's talk battery life. The SYMA Drone comes with two powerful batteries that give you up to 40 minutes of flight time. While some reviewers mentioned that recharging the battery takes over an hour, they appreciated the inclusion of two batteries for extended flying time. The ATTOP Drone, on the other hand, comes with three batteries but offers a total of 30 minutes in the sky. Despite the additional battery, some users have reported quick battery drainage and issues with battery functionality. So if you're into long romantic flights at sunset, SYMA's your drone. But if you're more of a quick, get-in, get-out kind of flyer, ATTOP's got your back. Let's dive into control and features. The SYMA Drone can be controlled with a remote or the SYMA app, which lets you draw flight paths and watch your drone follow them. It also has optical flow positioning for stable hovering. Reviewers have found it durable and easy to use, especially for children. Now, the ATTOP Drone isn't slacking either. With the ATTOP Club app, you can draw routes, control the drone with your voice, and even do a 360 degrees flip. It's also compatible with VR glasses for an immersive experience. While many users have found it easy to operate and durable, there have been some complaints about malfunctions and calibration issues. Finally, let's talk money. The SYMA Drone comes in at $99, offering great value for its price with longer battery life and stable hovering. Reviewers have highlighted its affordability and feature-packed design, making it a solid choice for beginners. The ATTOP Drone is slightly pricier at $109. For just 10 extra bucks, you get an extra battery, a wider camera view, and VR compatibility. However, some users have reported malfunctions and issues with the drone, which might make you think twice before spending the extra money. Overall, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. The SYMA Drone is praised for its durability, ease of use, and longer battery life, making it an excellent choice for beginners and young pilots. On the other hand, the ATTOP Drone offers advanced features like a wider camera view and VR compatibility, but has faced some criticism due to malfunctions and battery issues. So which drone should you buy? If you want more features and can spare the extra cash, the ATTOP Drone is your sky-high buddy. But if you're looking for longer flights and a slightly lower price, the SYMA Drone is your wingman. Either way, you're getting a fantastic drone that'll make you the coolest pilot in the neighborhood. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high, smart shoppers! See you next time!